Welcome, welcome, welcome. Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl, Ayah. And for those who may not know me, I'm also an R&B neo-soul artist. They like to call me the lover girl singer. And I am also a gamer, hence the t-shirt. And I'm super into fashion. And I'm here to bring y'all the realest of the real with anything that I show you guys. Let's pass it over. Ooh, okay. I won't do anything for money. I might do a couple of things for money, but I won't do anything for money. That's what it's called. So it says, if your sex life is not what you want it to be, this is the perfect fun adult sex game for you. Learn deep sexual, intimate things about each other and win lots of money. I like that. Fun fact, this game was put onto me because I write all of these sad girl songs and everyone's like, Ayah, get out of your bag. You're in your bag for a reason and maybe this game will take you out of it. So let's see if it works. By the way, shout out to whoever did the visuals on this game because the artwork, impeccable. Impeccable. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I want the set that she has. Fire. Okay, let's open it. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, look at this. First of all, I did not know there were items in this. I thought it was gonna be more a communication game, but we're both in for a surprise today. So I see that they have blindfolds, bondage cuffs, bondage rope, collar and leash. I'm putting that on him, not on me. Nipple clamps, anal plug, ball gags, a bullet vibrator, anal beads, flogger's whip, spanking paddle, feather, and a strap-on dildo. The fact that all of these are in one box is crazy. Okay, let's find out what's more about this game. Beautiful. I'll give you all the little intro, rules of the game. Boom. My name is Millie. I'm the creator. A very easy game to play. I want people to have fun and enjoy themselves while playing this game. So this is a 2 or 4 player game. So 4 is if you want to make it a little bit spicy. You single, you trying to talk to some other people. You interested in polyamory, something like that. Me, I'm more monogamous, so I'll do it with 2. But you can just enjoy it with your partner and spice it up with 4 players. Choice is yours, like she says. The first step is to take your game board, open it up, and lay it flat. You have a stack of playing cards called sex position cards. Put these cards on the board. You know what? Let's just live it out in action and go as we play. Oh, see, I'm gonna close my eyes so I could, take things out one by one. I wanna see the board first though. Ooh, there's money. Not real money, but damn. Money though. Let's put this out. And beautiful. Let's look at the board. Oh, wow. No, again, shout out on whoever did the animations of this game because it's scarily real. Like it's scarily real right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll just give y'all a few different examples of what's on this. There's take your loved one shopping and give $50 to your partner. Ooh, I'm definitely getting taken shopping. Arranged marriage, go back 6 spaces to get out of it. You see, I'm half Lebanese and there are a whole lot of arranged marriages in Lebanon and I am not interested in that. Continuing, there's fetishes, there's sex positions. Let's get into the cards and the little toys because like I said, there was a lot that I closed my eyes for. What do I want to grab first? You know what? I want to see the cards. Let's find these cards. Sex position cards. It's giving that's going to be like a Kama Sutra. I have to be a gymnast for 10 years. But we about to find out. The visuals are visualing in every single one of these things, by the way. But this is super cool. Can I just say a big shout out to Millie because she went over the top with making sure everything is super realistic, super detailed, and super intentional. She teaches you the details of how to do the position. For example, tilted hanger, need I say more? We have the soft chair, need I say more? And oh, the ballerina. I am not a ballerina, but hopefully some of you guys can be. But yeah, big shout out to Millie. And also, something that is important for y'all to know is even though it is considered a sex adult game, you don't necessarily have to be having intercourse while doing these positions. You guys could be fully clothed in bathing suits, and you could just spice up the moment with your partner a little bit more. So yeah, and I also think this is really cool because a lot of men, a lot of women, we don't like to talk about what pleases us. We don't like to talk about those specific things that that person could be doing better because maybe we just don't want to hurt their feelings. And I feel like this game puts you on spot to say, okay, I like this, I don't like this, I like this. And either you're gonna learn it or either you're like, I'm not about this, I'm about to go. So anyways, I really like this part. And it tells you how long you should do it for based on what you roll on the dice. So I think that's really cool too. The toys, wow. Okay, first, we'll go with the easy one. We got some money, and it's not gonna be sexist because I might ask my man for a little lap dance, a little stripper tease too. A little bit, throw some money on them. Beautiful. And speaking of putting the money on them, we found ourselves little Speedos for the men, which I personally love because why does a woman have to go out of her way to wear lingerie, wear nothing, look good for the man? Why can't he look good for me? So I absolutely love this one, your partner. Now this heavy bag, let's see what's in this one. There's a lot. Oh, this is good. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are the anal beads. If y'all are about this, personally, I'm not too much about it, but you never know. I might meet a partner one day that's like, oh yeah, that card won it. And you might find something new about the people that you're with. Next, I'm pretty sure this is the part where you could tie up your partner, which I love. You see, my partner better not get me tight while we play this game because I'm gonna be using all of these things. Ooh. Oh shit. You see, this makes me feel like I'm gonna be super dominant with this one. And I have a friend that I know she would definitely use this. I might give her this part actually. And adding on to that, you see, I've seen the dominatrix movies and I've always admired the women because they've just been power figures and they don't need no one to tell them nothing. They be getting that shit. See, I've never used it before, so again, don't make fun of me. Bear with me right now. Bear with me. I'm really testing all of these products out. So this one is the vibrated. This is just the vibrator. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the vibrator because I think the dildo's gonna look a little bit different. But yeah, adding a little spice, adding a little fun. And a lot of people aren't knowledgeable about how to make someone feel good. So Millie answered all y'all's questions. Everyone say thank you, Millie, because she's telling all of y'all how to make your woman happy. And these are just one of the toys for it. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Ooh! I like how it's furry. It makes it cute. It's really aesthetically pleasing. It looks a little scary, but this is super cool. I want to see how it goes though. We'll figure it out later. But this is just to show y'all this part. What's next? What's next? What's next? Now we go. Oh, we already got the Speedos. So this one, just to put on your mouth. I'm not gonna show y'all that, but leave it to the imagination. Like I said, get into that moment with your partner. If you want it in his mouth, if you want it in her mouth, vice versa, go for it. It's gonna make the game a lot more fun. And what's best is that these are not just all happening one-on-one. This is not, you're using one of them for this game, the next one for the next. You're using all of these in the span of whether you're playing this game in the daytime, the afternoon, nighttime. All these toys are incorporated into the game. So here we have little playing figures as well as our dice. And this is how you're going to be moving on the board. It's kind of a Monopoly, but the 21 plus version. And we have our dice, which is gonna tell how much you're moving or how many minutes you're doing a position for. Y'all need to get yourself this game as soon as possible. Not in an hour, not in 2. Y'all need to get this right now. I'm gonna put a link under my YouTube in the description, and it's gonna have a link to the Etsy, Amazon, and any other storefronts that might be selling this product. And y'all have to let me know in the comments how y'all enjoyed it, situations you were in, tell me all the details. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, because I want to keep doing more content like this for you and for us to just go on different journeys together and give y'all the real truth about new products and new things that are coming our way. Bye bye.